Dalton's law of partial pressure. As our first example, we have that the pressure of a mixture of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and oxygen is 150 kPa. What is the partial pressure of oxygen if the partial pressures of nitrogen and carbon dioxide are 100 kPa and 24 kPa? Before you do anything, you want to write down what you have so that you know what you're solving for. So the first number given is 150 kPa, and it tells us that is the pressure of the mixture. So that's how we know that that is our P total. Our second number given is 100 kPa of nitrogen, and the third one is 24 kPa of carbon dioxide. And since it says what is the partial pressure of oxygen, that's how we know that that's what we're going to be solving for. So we're going to go ahead and put that PT plus all of these, and that's going to be 150 kPa equals 100 kPa plus 24 kPa plus X. Adding these together, we get 150 equaling 124 plus X. Subtracting 124 from both sides, we're going to get X to equal 26. So the partial pressure of oxygen is going to turn out to be 26 kPa. Our second example. Find the total pressure of 32 kPa of oxygen, 3,212 torr of nitrogen, and 25 kPa of carbon dioxide. So go ahead and pause the video and restart when you think you got the answer. If you got 485.13 kPa, you can go ahead and stop the video. If not, stay tuned and then we're gonna go ahead and see what you did wrong. So if it asks you for the total pressure of all of these, before you start adding, you might want to take a look at the units and take a look to see if they equal. And in our problem, they don't. But we have 2 kPa's and 1 torr. So our quick reminder here is what this equals. And then we're going to go ahead and convert torr into kPa. That way we can add. So then if it asks for total pressure, we know that that's going to be our X. And then for PO, it's going to be 32 kPa. Our partial pressure of nitrogen is going to be 3,212 torr. And for carbon dioxide, it's going to be 25 kPa. So then since we said that this was the only thing that we had to convert, we're going to go ahead and plug it in here. And as we convert, what goes on here on top goes on the bottom right. And we're trying to get to kPa. So for every 760 torr, we get 101.3 kPa. Multiplying and dividing, you're going to get 428.125789 kPa. So then we're going to head to round that off. So then now that we have everything in kPa, we're going to have 32 plus 25, and the 3,212 torrs that we converted to turn out to be 428.16. It's going to turn out to be 485.13 kPa.